tip nam tai kubar like kam hikai ikdon artli ki post ki balai te ki badon ni ko qualification sale e ka badon kam te like kam nei kai ha Evangel Secondary School Nongston khatan pli ti long BSc PCM on kam perkhat ki bla pas BS te ka jingsiu ka long khat praja tarik ban pedang khadu ia ki application kan long live pui tarik January arjar fly te ka interview kan long aushi tarik February arjar fly hapo school secretary MC phone number te fill up phone ini number no kenai pra Andrew sawei kendai lai ar lane pra lai nyeu saw Andrew pra lai ar nam ta ki tip khamnya ke ban phone hi kini number te sakawai pat application are invited for the post of assistant lecturer chemistry in Asor P Academy Higher Secondary School bin Usla kene ka desa pop bin Usla te ka minimum qualification ti long MSc 50% preference with BEd undergoing. The class date pede kan long apply January arja apply. The salary kalong khatsanajar per month. Application with all the necessary document is to be submitted at the rate asorp.academy@gmail.com. Te pihak ban submit ya ki application jong pi ha kan ke email bal ai hang ni. Te pihak ban kontak ru ni nomor la pim sutu ha. Ndai lai ndeu sawnot ar saw lai khandai lane pra sawei saw pra sanwei nyau saw nam ta ki jing tip ki khamni ha te ki ne ki jing tip khule jibon